Heavy rainfall in Afghanistan's Helmand province has resulted in the deaths of 5 people, including women and children, and left 6 others injured on February 26, 2025. Authorities confirmed that the floods affected the districts of Sangin, Musa Qala, and Babaji in Helmand. Hafiz Abdulbari Rashid, the head of the Information and Culture Department in Helmand, stated that in Sangin's Shahzada area, the roof of a house collapsed because of flooding, resulting in the deaths of 2 children. In Musa Qala, 3 more individuals lost their lives as floodwaters swept through the district. In Gereshik district, a lightning strike hit a house, injuring 6 residents. The latest disaster follows severe flooding in Farah province on February 25, when at least 21 people died and 5 others sustained injuries.